Hello everyone. Today I will be teaching you guys data types in Python. So first of all, what is the need of data types? Suppose I am adding two integer values like 5 and 4 and I am performing arithmetic operations on these values to get 9 as output. But what if I add 5 in alphabets like A to Z? There will be no arithmetic operations because the data types of both values are different. The number 5 is of data type integer and alphabets are generally counted in string data types in Python. So whenever I assign any value to a variable, Python will automatically pick up its data type. Suppose I write a is equal to 5, then Python will automatically assign it a data type of integer. But in languages like C++ and Java, we have to specifically mention what kind of data type this variable will be going to hold. Moving to next point, data types are important because they define the operations that can be performed on data and the way data is stored in the memory. This we have already discussed in the arithmetic operations. Third one is, what if we don't know the data type of a variable? How we can check? So Python has a type function in it that will display the data type of a variable. We will be coding it in Google Colab. First we are just going through the slides. And the fourth point is, we can also change the data types of one form to another. So first we will be covering basic data types that are used in Python. So first one is integer, that will store the values, integer values, but it will not store in decimals. Decimals are stored in float values. The moment we apply the decimal, it will go in the float data type. And the third is bool type. Here variable will be storing true or false in it. Fourth is string data type. Variable will be storing alphabets in single quotation, double quotation, or sometimes also in triple quotations. So moving to next is collection data types. First one is list. List can store multiple values. List can be a group of integers, group of string, or it can be mix of both. These are ordered and can be changed. Second is tuple, which is also ordered and a mutable collection. And the third one is set data type, which is defined in the curly braces. Fourth is a dictionary, which has keys and values in it. It is also defined in curly braces. So now we will see these data types in Google Colab, how these are used. So I have assigned value 5 to A and 45 to B. So earlier we have mentioned that Python will automatically detect the data types as soon as we assign it the values. So how we can check that what is the data type of A? So it will be checked with the function type. So I will be simply printing data type of A. Earlier I have mentioned that data types of variables can be checked by the type function. So this is the type function and I will check the data type of A here. We will also check data type of B. So here we can see that both are integer data types. So what if I assign it to decimal values? We know that decimal values are counted as float data types. So let's check it. So here we can see that A has been changed to float. and we specifically have not mentioned the data type of a. Python automatically picks the data types of variable and displays, and we can display the data types by type function. So second data type we are checking is string. So we have mentioned that any alphabet in the quotation marks will be treated as string data types. So let me show you guys. So A is storing alphabet in the single quotation and B is storing in double quotations. See, both are displaying string data types here. And third, we are checking Boolean data types. I have assigned value 5 to A and 9 to B, and in C I will be storing the result of whether A is greater than B or not. So A is 5 and B is 9, which is obviously not greater than B. So this will return false value and it is assigned in the C, and I am checking here the value of the data type of C. So C is displaying bool data types. What if I print C? So C is storing false value and it is of data type bool. So next data type is list, which we will be checking in the Google Colab. I will simply clear it. Suppose A is variable and it will store a list of name of fruits. So first is apple, second is kiwi, third is mango. So second is tuple data types. How we will check for tuples? So tuple is assigned in simple brackets. Suppose A will be containing list of cricket players. First is Virat, second is Sachin, third is Reena. Now I will check the data type of A. It will display tuple data types because it is defined in the simple bracket. So the next data type is set. We will be assigning set in curly braces. Suppose A contains Rohit and Virat and Virendra Sehwag. So simply I will display again the data type of A. See, it is displaying set data types because we have defined it in curly braces. Now we will check for dictionary data type. It is also defined in curly braces. So what is difference between set and dictionary? Dictionary will be containing key value pair. Suppose B is the variable holding dictionary and the first key is name is Virat, second key is age and suppose 34, third key is profession, store player. So this is dictionary data type. It has key and values assigned to that key. So what is difference between set and dictionary? Here we can pick up the value of Virat by simply typing name. So if I type age, then it will print 34. If I type profession, then it will show me player. So this we will see later, but we are here for checking data type for B. Print type of B. So B is showing dictionary data type. So we have checked the data types of all. So I will suggest you once go through this slide again and these all points will be clear to you. Thank you for watching this video.